I'm uncovering a fascinating, surprising link between the intricate branching of trees and the complex structure of our lungs, revealing a profound hidden law that remarkably governs them both. The branching of trees follows a mesmerizing fractal pattern, with each sturdy branch splitting into smaller, intricate ones, repeating the same mesmerizing pattern. Similarly, in our lungs, airways branch into smaller, delicate bronchi, weaving a complex network. The human lung, in fact, boasts approximately 1,500 miles of airways, all adhering to the same remarkable fractal code, a testament to nature's incredible design. Similarly, river networks also exhibit this fractal pattern, with tributaries branching off into smaller streams, weaving a complex tapestry of waterways. Our vascular system mirrors this design, where blood vessels branch into smaller capillaries, all following the same law. The average human has approximately 60,000 miles of blood vessels, a staggering example of nature's efficiency, with intricate networks that sustain life, a true marvel of natural design and functionality. This law, known as self-similarity, governs the intricate structure of many natural systems, from the delicate branching of trees and the winding paths of rivers, to the life-giving flow of blood through our veins, and even the complex structure of our lungs. All these systems follow the same underlying principle, a remarkable testament to the unity and harmony of nature. With the fractal dimension of these systems being approximately 2.5, a universal constant emerges, underlies many of nature's patterns, revealing a profound order. Join me as we explore more hidden connections, revealing the secrets of our universe, one pattern at a time. Follow for one hidden connection a day.